In this video we will explain about Import Excel. What is Import Excel and how does it work? Suppose you want to upload 40 units at once. But from here you have to upload units one by one, which takes a lot of time. For example, we have an Excel file. You can see here that 10 records have been created. Here the first row is considered as header, and the remaining rows will be treated as data. Each row will count as one unit. Now we will upload the Excel file. So here, clicking on Import Excel will bring up a form. Here you need to remember that if you sign in by default, your HOA address will not be filled here. So if you have not filled these default HOA addresses, then you will get this kind of warning. So in that case you need to understand that your selected HOA addresses are not filled. This is why the warning is being shown. If you read this form notes, then you will understand. Here as an example I have created an Excel file to show you. This note on the first line says that your first line will count as a header. So here first row will be counted as header, and only your first column data will countable as a unit title. This means that the first column here will be counted as the unit title. You do not need to provide any other information. Just provide the unit title. Addresses will integrate from HOA address. This means whichever HOA is selected here, and whatever HOA addresses will be here, these addresses will be assigned as each unit's address. Here if you use XLSX it will be good for you. Then upload the Excel file. Then you will see 10 units added. Then go to any unit and go to the edit option. You will see that the same address has been assigned to each unit. If you want to export all these units in CSV, click here. Now you can see it exported to CSV.